So by default uSonto finds herself phakathi inside. Okay. Asiqaleke la. UThandiswa decided that she was going to be disobedient and go ayofuna inendodana yakhe, and then she was going to go alone and leave the police behind. Bese ke evidence uyayithatha from the evidence bag ahambe nayo ke athathe nefoni kaLeroy. Leroy comes to the police station, is trying to find out where's uThandiswa, and Thandiswa is nowhere to be found. Then again, it happens to uSakhile decides to go to Bawuphoyisa and tell him everything that he knows so that they can try and trace ukuthi kwenzakalani. And then now Bawuphoyisa was happy to find out the news, but then was worried ukuthi uThandiswa, wherever she is, she's going to be in trouble. Well, it was. Now it happens that they've decided ukuthi uzohamba uThandiswa ayofuna indodakazi yakhe, of which she went there and then found indodakazi, and then not indodakazi, indodana yakhe. And then when she got there, she then realized ukuthi bambophile umntanakhe, and then she wanted to assist bese Caesar comes in, and then atigena tells ibali lonke ukuthi kwenzakalani to the twin sister, and uMpendulo was traumatized, and they said you don't have to be traumatized for long because maqeda ngoThandiswa ngiza kuwe ngizobulala wena. Basathi uyambulala ke bese kungena ke amaphoyisa. Ngena amaphoyisa. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, we're going to be reviewing Smoke and Mirrors. Sanibonani absheni malweni minjani yifukile hingangwina. So namuhla kana ngokwa hina wa Smoke and Mirrors shula samsekangi kahle, looking at the fact that ungathi lapha abantu abanje hostage, then the whole entire team now becomes hostage, because now bese amaphoyisa athi sizabeka ilona umpu phansi nani sizokubopha, and then he agrees, he puts the knife wangithi umpu put the knife down, the dagger down. And then now they're like, yeah, ngiyakubopha manje. Finally, ire after the speech was like, okay, mlamuli awudubula ubaphoyisa lapho, then mlamuli ukhombisa ubama kuba phoyisa, and then it just got messy. Manje Sakhile is now uyaboshwa. So it's like we are back to square one because of Lauzu Mlamuli, who is on the payroll yakasiza. And then now uThimo nalona umfundisi realized ukuthi uThimo baboleka imali kuma mfundisi, uma mfundisi sekasenkingeni, umfundisi seka manje he's no longer happy with the fact that uma mfundisi umvumela ukuthi asebenze. Manje ke nakho ke uSonto nama cravings ufuna uSakhile